Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Cra.io, a relatively new productivity tool that describes itself as the writing app for everything. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by complicated note-taking apps, cluttered writing tools, or platforms that try to do too much at once, this might be something worth paying attention to. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what Cra.io is, what it's used for, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally, whether it truly deserves the title of the best note-taking app and reading tool. Let's get started. Cra is built around a very simple idea. Writing should be easy, fast, and distraction-free. Instead of packing the app with endless menus, buttons, dashboards, and widgets, Cra strips everything back to what matters most, your words. At its core, Cra is a web-based writing and note-taking tool designed for people who write frequently. That could be writers, students, bloggers, remote teams, researchers, or even people who just want a clean space to think and organize ideas. What makes Cra different from traditional note-taking apps is that it doesn't strictly define what you're creating. A Cra document can be a personal note, a shared document, a blog post, a collaborative workspace, or even a conversation with other people. The platform treats every piece of content as flexible. You can start writing at first and decide what it becomes later. Cra uses Markdown, which is a lightweight writing format. This means instead of clicking formatting buttons, you use simple symbols for headings, lists, and emphasis. The benefit here is speed. Once you get used to it, you can write incredibly fast without breaking your flow. Overall, Cra positions itself as a calm, minimalist alternative to heavy productivity suites. Now, let us talk about the main features. Minimalist Markdown Editor. The heart of Cra is its clean Markdown editor. There are no cluttered toolbars or pop-ups. You type and your text is formatted instantly. This makes it ideal for long writing sessions, note-taking, and focused reading. Real-time collaboration. Cra allows multiple people to work on the same document at the same time. You can see edits happening live, which makes it useful for teams, co-writers, or shared study notes. Built-in chat inside documents. This is one of Cra's most unique features. Each document can include a chat panel allowing collaborators to talk without leaving the page. Instead of switching to email or messaging apps, discussion stays connected directly to the content. Easy sharing and access control. Documents can be shared via links and you can optionally protect them with passwords. This makes sharing notes, drafts, or private content simple without complicated permission settings. Clean reading experience. Cra isn't just about writing, it's also designed for reading. The interface removes unnecessary UI elements so that you can focus on the text itself, making it comfortable for reviewing long documents. Web-based and mobile-friendly. Cra runs entirely in your browser. While there's no dedicated desktop or mobile app yet, the web version works well on phones and tablets, which is great for quick edits or reading on the go. Now, let us talk about the pricing. This is one of Cra's biggest advantages. At the moment, Cra is completely free. You can see it states here on the website that you can start writing and no account is required. There are no paid plans, there are no subscriptions, no feature restrictions. You don't even need an account to start writing, like I said. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Cra? First, the pros. Clean, distraction-free writing environment, very fast Markdown-based workflow, real-time collaboration with built-in chats, no account is required to start, it's completely free at the moment, and it works well in mobile browsers. How about the cons? It's still in early beta, so features are limited. There's no offline mode, and there's no dedicated desktop or mobile apps. So, here's the big question. Is Cra the best note-taking and reading tool? Well, the honest answer is it depends on what you need. If you're someone who values simplicity, focus, and clean writing above everything else, Cra is excellent. It's especially well suited for writers, for bloggers, students, and small teams who want to collaborate without dealing with feature overload. However, if you need organization, advanced organization to be precise, offline access, integrations, task management, or powerful linking systems, CRA isn't there yet. In that case, it works better as a focused writing companion rather than an all-in-one productivity hub. And that's it on the review of CRA. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Notion, Obsidian, and Google Docs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.